Morning everyone, Rick the Static Nomadic. August 16th here, 2018, day 41, and what a beautiful morning. Got a nice little breeze, but it's warm, feels good. Not super warm, but you know, Colorado warm. Anyway, we're probably gonna start packing up and getting ready to move on to another site. We both got to go dump and, you know, do normal stuff. So probably go ahead and relocate to another area of the national forest. See some different scenery. Sure had an interesting moment yesterday, late afternoon, early evening. I was on the phone with my daughter, and I had a visitor, a black bear, and he was literally within 10 or 15 feet of me. Needless to say, it kind of freaked me out. But I managed to get a quick picture off my phone before he vanished. But I mean, he walked right behind my trailer, right across through here, and then disappeared behind that rock. And of course I was just being super still. Yeah, that one, that's the closest I've ever been to a bear other than a zoo, you know, but yeah, that was kind of a very interesting moment right there. He didn't seem to care, he was just walking along. So, yeah. Pretty wild, though. So that bear literally walked right up around here to the right of that stump and then disappeared behind that rock right there. But that was as close as I have ever been to a wild bear. And I'm going to tell you, it freaked me out. These guys just pulled in next to us. And I gotta say, those are the strangest hiking clothes I've ever seen anybody wear. I mean, they're just wearing basically dress slacks. Good luck. Thanks, Paul, for this awesome chili. I added the cheese and the jalapenos and gonna put some sour cream on there too. Anyway, sure smells good. Peace out, people.
Thank you.